Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they want to do this right here. And I don't know how big they want to offset it, but that would almost work. But these paws are all grouped together. So all you have to do is go to Effects and Contour. I've got my Contour Docker open. Now, if you contour to the outside too little of a mount, like 0.25, you get that. And that's not what she wants. So you could contour to the outside one step at 2 inches, and I'm just guessing here. Left click, right click, and you've got a really big contour, but that stopped it from going down the crevices. Now go and break contour apart and grab your contour, and now let's contour to the inside 1 inch. And then still select it all, go up to Object, break the 3 objects apart, and delete the outer one. Now, if that's still a little bit too far out, contour the inside, 0.25. Go up to Object, break contour apart, take the outer one, and you've got a little bit closer to the dog's paw. Now all you have to do is, well, don't do that. 2 things you could do. Let's see how big this dog paw is. It's 11 inches right now. So let's make our nudge factor 12. Let's nudge our, well, it must not have been, I must have put, let's see what I put. I put 122. Nudge our contour out of the way. Let me zoom in here. And there's several ways you could do this. You could smart fill it. Well, let's just do it this way and then select all this and left click, right click to make sure there's no outline that'll cut. And then you can just nudge this back. And that is a hairline and it will cut out. And if you want to add a little more detail to anything will work. You could add fingernails or whatever, or even contour a little bit more to the inside. Anyway, I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.